Hello everyone, this is Jack from Dr. Prius app. Today is the day. Today is the day after 7 years hard working. I finally able to produce a production version of hybrid battery replacement. Throughout the 7 years, I have been through so many chemistry of the lithium. I'm trying to use it and test it on my own car, and been through lithium titanate, lithium phosphate, lipo. So 7 years ago, I started out with the lithium titanate chemistry. It was too big, too heavy, and most importantly, it's too expensive to make. Later on, I found different shape of the lithium titanate, for example, in this AA size shape. But then the internal resistance is not going up. Therefore, I move on to lithium polymer. Lithium polymer has been used in RC in a lot of the heavy-duty application because it can produce a lot of power. However, lithium polymer is not stable. It can thermal run away pretty easily. Therefore, we actually have several incidents with that. We test it to a limit and it doesn't hold. So we gave out on that idea with lithium polymer and move back to another shape of lithium titanate with the metal case. This is made by Toshiba. So we try everything. At the end, we settle with the lithium phosphate, which is the most stable. It's not the lightest, but it has enough density, power and density to our application. And then we finally able to customize the shape of the lithium phosphate to today, the final production version of the lithium cell. And in the past 7 years, I used my tiny little 3D printer to produce all this prototype. And these are just a sample of the prototype. I started out with the single blade design, then the single blade design with cooling at the top as well as on the side. Later on, we move on to the double blade design, and then double blade design with the cooling. At the end, we finally able to produce this final version with the temperature sensor at the top, at the bottom, with some crucial cooling as well as interlock on each side. And today we just got a shipment. This shipment directly from the factory all the way here. I know some of the users already got it and they open it, they are very happy, but this is my first. After 7 years working, I finally able to see my own product in real life. So I would like to show my excitement as well as opening up the box to see what's inside. There are a total of 14 blades in one package. For the customer outside United States, you will receive 2 boxes. This is due to the weight and size limitation. And for customer in the United States, you will receive 1 single boxes with all 14 blades in there. So let's cut it open and see what's inside. Yeah. Okay, good. Double boxes, so another box inside this. Alright, so inside the box you got the user manual and a bumper sticker. I designed it personally. Actually, Intel designed it. I just copied the idea. Alright, and in the user manual, I provide with the installation guide to the YouTube, so make sure to check them out. And make sure you just read it. I know people don't like to read the user manual, but spend some time to understand your product. Make sure you do it right the first time. All right, I'm pretty sure you're worth it. Front and back, and some warranty policy at the back. Hopefully you can read it through. And this is it. 7 blades in one box. They are double box, and then there's still another cardboard box to hold each individual blade. All right, let's just take one for example. Here we are. Each small box has the foam cushion inside, nice and good. And Each blade has serial number, model number, as well as some spec on the top. Yep. This is feeling very nice, much better than my 3D printing. And I can feel it, it's solid. Yeah, it's solid. And at the tab, on the terminal, it has this. Oh, it's threaded. Very nice. Good. Let's open the rest of it and see what's inside. Oh, take a look at this spatial blade here. The spatial blade has terminal on both sides. This is for you to connect to the service block. And as you can see, it's quite a journey from the nickel metal hydride battery all the way to 3D printing, single blade, double blade, till the end, the certified automotive grade final product. I feel very proud. This thing is solid and yet so lightweight. Let me do a comparison of the weight with you. This is the nickel metal hydride battery. It's dry out, so it's lighter. It's lighter than brand new. Let's take a look at the weight here. Is 2 kilograms and 70, well, 2.7 kilogram. All right. Now let's try the lithium battery equivalent. 1.2, 1.3 kilogram. That's quite a difference in weight comparison. So there you have it. I would like to thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for watching this video. And here you have it. This is the unboxing video. I'm very proud of this product, and I hope you will like it and enjoy it and share it with your friend. Make sure to check out our website at projectlithium.com. If you have any question, reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.